Hey guys, do you want to see the future of affiliate marketing? I'm not talking about getting an affiliate link from some network, sending traffic to it. No, that doesn't work. It's gonna lose you money. I'm not talking about doing marketing methods or affiliate marketing the way that you were taught to do it by all these gurus over the years. That stuff doesn't work. Like build a list and hammer your list with offer. Bad advice. I'm talking about completely revolutionizing the way affiliate marketing is done, especially for a complete beginner, especially for somebody who is new. They don't have the authority, they don't have the story, they don't have the knowledge, they don't have the expertise, they don't have the charisma, they don't have the ability to really drive sales. How does that guy or girl succeed? Well, they couldn't until now. I'm hosting a live syndicated event. This has never been done in the history of affiliate marketing ever. And would you like to see it? It's happening. Depending when you're watching this, it's May 9th at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Don't miss it. If you want to be able to make money on the internet for real, I'm not talking about joining business opportunities. I'm not talking about chasing after the next shiny thing and cryptocurrency or Forex or this or the other. I'm not talking about these quick flash in the pan type deals that come and go all the time. I'm talking about a real deal, solid business you get to control, that you can build, and you can launch it within 7 days. No joke. Hey, I expect you to be a little bit skeptical because that's a big, tall claim I'm making over here. But I'd like to show you what we're about to do. And more importantly, I'd like to invite you to join what we call the affiliate revolution. Don't miss it. I'm telling you, put it on your time, put it in your calendar, set an alarm, set a reminder, 9 p.m. tonight, depending on when you're watching this, right? That's Tuesday, May 9th, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. There's gonna be a link I'm gonna post here around this video somewhere. We're doing this as a syndicated event, so maybe some of our syndicate members will be able to use this video as well to invite their friends. We are going to change affiliate marketing landscape. So if you want to see the history in the making, and if you want to be a part of it and potentially make a lot of money in the process, don't miss it. We're gonna change the game. It's gonna be so awesome. All right, so mark it, click on the link, save it, set yourself a reminder. I've got nothing to sell you tonight or whenever you're watching this, I wanna talk to you. We're pulling together an army of affiliate entrepreneurs, visionaries, who will be on a mission to completely revolutionizing the way affiliate marketing is done forever. And everybody wins, everybody. Click on the link, join us tomorrow. Don't miss it for nothing. See ya.